do it now. Okay. Put your aturuk pin.
Aglizaqlaut, Inupiatun, Inupiatun, Aglizaqlaut, Inupiatun, Monarituinasliuirvin, Gigbin,
Vin. Girvin. Put your
Gigbin,
Liurvin.
Cliurvin,
Lach Liurvin.
Laxliurvin,
Gary Lach Liurvin.
Iagilachliurvin,
Gary Lach Liurvin.
Iagilachliurvin,
Dabra. Asi una suli. Girvin.
Gigbin,
Liurvin.
Cliurvin,
Na Liurvin.
Nasliurvin,
Dwi na Liurvin.
Duinasliurvin,
Ri Dwi na Liurvin.
Rituinasliurvin,
Munari Dwi na Liurvin.
Munarituinasliurvin,
Dabra. Lo daktutin. Sagurumen.
Igagikben Ilumutun, Inupiaq, Munagigben Ilumutun, Munagituinasliurvin.
Raha. Wow, you guys sure know how to work your tongue. Make it go all over your mouth. So make sure you write. So I will send this, but make sure you write it. And I haven't even written it down, but I need to put it up on my wall so I could sing this. So that's the North Slope, but we'll skip that. Now me dash. Let's see. So I don't have a translation yet for Gikdak, but I thought it was interesting how the verb iglere in North Slope could then change to like being precious by adding like nak to it, or but in North Slope, if you want to say you are so precious to me, it's or you could use a different form, which is and if like two parents or maybe like two relatives wanted to say to the baby, like, or the kid, like, you're so precious to us, like us too. And then
Erlang napaktutin uvamnun. Erlang Eglerek pak Eglerek pakitpin Irlernak pakdudin uvaptignun. Irlerekpak kiptigin. Iglernapalakdudin. And then our precious Jesus, don't forget, Agiturak Jesus. Puyuknak. So Agiturak.
Oh, kanok aglangak pa. Itna?
Change the R and the U. Agiturak. 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 I don't know, maybe it is Agiturak. Agiturak. I mean, Agiturak. Agiturak. Yeah.
So that's precious.
Jesus. Puyuknak. Precious Jesus, don't forget. The precious one. That one is like the precious one. So, so we probably would do routine. And I don't know if they would be comfortable saying that, or if it would be more comfortable to say this one over here is so precious versus directly saying it. So Agiturok una.
Maybe that's our homework, is to find out. Okay. Well, since we're recording, I'm gonna review the song real quick. And then maybe we all could sing it again, so we could see if we remember. Oh, Imeopin? Ilu. Oh, ilok silugu una kalun. Ilok hiugnya ilok hiuriga or ilok hiurea. Ilok hiurea kalun. Dabra. Imerin. Okay. Kitungorang. Big baby bin. Big barik bin. Big baby bin demunga. Susuk.
You want to go back to the words one more time so I could study them before I sing it?
Yeah.
Okay. Kitungorang. Big barik bin. Big barik bin. Big barik slioring. Big barik slioring bin demunga. Maybe I added some extra sounds in there. Oops.
You added, but I think that was right. Put your Ilisarpin. Do you want to study it first a little?
Panirang pikperik pin pikperik pikpek parik pin. I probably need help on the last one. Pikpek sliori pin. Okay.
No. Okay.
Panirang pikperik 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 pin.
Big
Pikpek
baby pen.
pikperik pin. Pikpek pin temunga. Pikpera liura.
Uva. Uaktun.
Uaktun.
Big baby pen.
Pikperivren.
Big barik pen.
Pikperariv. Gariv. kin, ping,
Rikpin,
rikping,
Barikpin,
barikping,
Big Big Barikpin,
big, big, barikin, pin, big, big, barikin,
Gikpin, Gikpin,
big, big, barikin,
Gikpin,
Julie,
Gikpin,
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 Gikpin, Gikpin, Gikpin, Gikpin.
gikpin,
Dabra. Barikpin,
barikpin,
Big Big Barikpin.
big, big, barikin,
Yeah. Big Big Lioriven.
big, 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 theorien, temu,
Araha. Ukto Pyungsuli Nagatavra.
Suli, last one.
Okay. Sivulio Lugu Daigorin Asi Duglea Atoglutin. So first read it and then you could try to sing it again.
Big, 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 and and Yuri, and Temura. Okay, so I can read off the page.
Yeah.
Okay. Banirang, big, berivin, big, berivin, big, berivin, big, berivin, big, big, liuri, big, big, liuri, temunga, temunga.
Atikaa. Asi Sagrumin.
Wrong. Bunny wrong. Bunny wrong?
E.
Big big bin. Big 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 bin. Big big bin. Big bin. Big I'm getting big wait.
Lioriven.
Big bin. Temunga. I think I could get so it would go Itunga wrong. Big big bin. Big bagik bin. Big pasiugig bin demunga.
Oy. Bonus points if you could do it in North Slope too. You almost did it. I usually sing Big Buggy Kickbin, Big Buggy Lalak Kickbin, Ataramek Sulide Munga, Materma Ilerinyaratin, Big Buggy Kickbin, Big Buggy Bialak Kickbin, Ataramek Sulide Munga, Materma Ilerinyaratin. I usually sing that to my son almost every night. So I gotta learn our Shishmaraf one though. Okay, so I know this is mostly a review for you all, or maybe not. I know Jolene has, whoops. Jolene has done this class before, but one of the things I encourage is everything that we learn, put it on, write it on a big piece of paper and put it up in your home. Because you will, or you could do like flashcards. I know Atikaa will laminate like little cards with like phrases or like conversation. And I know I have to put this up, and I'll have the recording too if you need to reference it or re-listen to it. And then I try to integrate at least one of these little lessons every single day. Because then once you do it, integrate it every day, it becomes like a habit. But also if you get too busy, I know we're all so busy, don't get down on yourself. Just remind yourself there's always another day to speak more Inupiaq. But I usually end by just like people sharing what Inupiaq they've used this week or in the last few days, and maybe like what you would like to use from this lesson in the future.
Yeah.
And
I
whoever wants to
have
go
to-
first.
That one.
I'm taking care of my brother who has stage 4 cancer. And I caught myself yesterday speaking to him in Inupiaq, but he doesn't speak Inupiaq or understand Inupiaq. And I was like, oh, shucks. But I was telling him to sit down, and he would listen to me, but I just ended up catching myself speaking Inupiaq to him. So it was pretty amazing.
I can't remember. The only I can't remember this week. I feel like the only thing I'm doing, which I think I had opportunities this week, is in introducing myself to other people. So far, that's been my only extra Inupiaq. For a little while, I was doing Inupiaq spelling bee with my daughter's class for a number of weeks. And at that point, we were starting to just use more, because we had it fresh, closer to the fronts of our minds, and we were trying. But introducing, and I intend to, one, go look through my stuff and start figuring out where and how I can keep notes and have something readily accessible for adding to what I want to try to use. But it's coming at a time when my daughter and my husband just left, so I won't have people around in the same way to do it. Maybe my dogs will get to learn. They're easy like kids to put away our self-consciousness and just use.
Dash, do you want to share any Inupiaq you know? I've been doing songs with the kids pretty regularly, and then I continue to use like daily routines and commands. I really wanted to start doing Aglizaqlaut stretching with the kids every morning, but I haven't had a chance, so I'll practice that in Elam and Golovin this week, I think. And maybe anyway, I think my son is ready for me to get off of here, but put you up if you want to share too.
Oh yeah, with Paniga this last few days, just yeah, like Imirin, Ikayu Nakping. I guess I'll adapt that one. Iza Nakping. We have, it's pretty natural to just use like the same maybe 10 or 20 phrases with her without trying to feel like performing or anything. It's just, that's kind of nice. She doesn't, and she and then Danaka mixed in there too. It's like a whole smattering of non-English questions and commands. I'm excited to
Awesome.
spend her in July. We were there for Anna's funeral. Great grandma Lily Rose, who was a Tangunak. And so I think in the Tangunak Tabon family, the kinship terms are used all the time, which I learned from them too.
Mhm. Yeah, and I heard there was some Inupiaq speaking during her funeral, so it's good to hear of just the normalization of our language. Well, Kuya Rifsi, I'm so thankful for you all and your determination to learn and use our language. It brings me so much hope and strength just to know that we can multiply our efforts. And I think so I'll be in Nome next Wednesday, so I'll have to let Atikaa send out information for her class, and then I'll be in Arizona for 2 weeks. So I think I'm gonna pause on my Saturday teachings. But I did put the emails in our shared drive. If anyone wants to meet anyway during this or Saturday mornings, like, you're free to do it. And even if you use the materials we've already covered. But I did want to share that I'm gonna take a little 2-week break and go to Colang and maybe do some sightseeing with my family in Arizona. So Kuya Rifsi, it's so good to see. Arigatou kapsi. Nana kunlu.